Kitchen organization can be ongoing journey. Process evolve, items rotate and adjustments are made while learning better ways of doing things. If you feel like your kitchen is cluttered mess, it doesn't mean it has to stay that way forever. Your kitchen should be functional and comfortable regardless of how much space you have, and you can make navigating a small kitchen easier with just a few small tweaks. Here are few ideas for your kitchen which I always follow to keep my kitchen clean and organized. At the same time, I try to make it as beautiful as other rooms. Try to choose kitchen containers that double as decor. One way to keep basic dry products organized is to pick containers you love to look at. Implement a design that will function in an organizational capacity but also act as decor for your kitchen. There are many varieties of containers available, so we can choose as per our convenience. Convert an open wall into a vertical storage. Utilizing every square inch of space is important in a small kitchen. If you love to cook but have nowhere to put all your utensils and other things, try this type of organizer. This will definitely work out in any type of kitchen. Also, it will add beauty to your kitchen. These type of organizers look beautiful and they are very easy to install. Product links are given in the description box. If you like to buy, you can just check it out. There are many ways to keep your kitchen towels organized, and I talked about it many times in my previous videos. Folding kitchen towels and stacking them vertically seems to be perfect if you have no extra space. Stacking dish towels horizontally might seem like an excellent way to keep them in order, but you will save yourself a lot of digging if you line them up vertically instead. Have you ever think of keeping your garbage bags organized? The most functional kitchen are the one where there is a designated place for everything. Does your kitchen have a spot for garbage bags? If not, create this clever and compact storage solution. Every kitchen has to face a problem of storing big containers. It's too difficult to dig inside and take out those heavy containers daily. You will definitely need a plan for storing large containers. Make sure to have a sliding storage just like this, and it has to be tall enough to fit these oversized items, and then it becomes very easy to take out anything from these type of containers. If you have a modular kitchen with small gaps in between and everything falls most often, then use shelf liner or the kitchen mats. These liner or mat keep things from falling through the holes between the wires, and also they make stacking a heck of lot easier. Also, it's very easy to clean these mats rather than cleaning the whole rack. You can even store small things and they will never fall at all. Like with like is just one way to organize your pantry. It's better to group similar items together, like cooking oils together, nuts or spices together in the same spot. But at the same time, there are more ways to subdivide your foods for maximum efficiency. First, consider frequency of use. For instance, place the spices you use most in an easily accessible spot. Second, think about your routine and designate discrete storage areas for them. Just like I said, things should be easily accessible. Also, you must organize it by zone. Start grouping them into categories. The best way to put things in your kitchen is to consider zones for your pantry. Remember, the pantry is one of the most heavily used space in your home, so regardless, you will want items most often to be grouped together in zones. That makes sense. Lastly, the area which we neglect most is our sink. It's extremely important to keep our sink organized, just like any other corner in the kitchen. Try to use the vertical space you have and hang as much as you can. I bought this adhesive wall organizers from Amazon to keep everything away from the counter, so that the counter will remain clean, and I am using a small basket to store my sponge and brushes. This way, the sink area will remain clean, tidy and organized all the time. I am sure you will definitely want to try these ideas for your kitchen too. Do try and keep your kitchen clean and organized. With lots of more ideas, I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.